there, and thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Missy, and I am a stay-at-home mom over at thehomemadelife.com, and today I want to share with you 4 different oils that I love to incorporate into my nightly routine to help me get a better night's sleep, a deeper sleep. If you want to wake up feeling more refreshed, you might want to give this a shot. First of all, lavender. Lavender is a phenomenal oil. It's wonderful to promote a healthy night's sleep. I love to put a little bit on the back of my neck, on my wrists, and also on my big toe. The reason you want to put it on your big toe is that is the Vitaflex point that corresponds with the limbic system where melatonin is released and our brains kind of shut down. Now, Vitaflex, if you're not familiar with that, is very similar to acupuncture. So that same system, except for rather than applying pressure or a needle, you're applying an essential oil to correspond with a specific organ in the body. So lavender is a great oil for that. Cedar wood is also a wonderful oil for that. And again, you can diffuse it. You can also put it on your big toe or on the bottom of your feet. Now, another reason you want to apply essential oils on the bottom of your feet is there's over 2,000 pores on the bottom of your feet, so they absorb very quickly into the bloodstream that way. Patchouli. This has been one of my new best friends lately at night. Love this oil. Again, on the back of the neck and the bottom of my feet. And lastly, Cypress. Love this oil for so many more reasons than just sleep. We can cover that in another video, but this has also been one of my favorite little oils to get a good night's sleep. So there's 4 oils for you to try out and help yourself get a better night's sleep. As always, thanks so much for hanging out with me for just a few minutes. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe below for more oily information, and we will see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye-bye friends.